Bug, bug, under the rug. Who's the bug under the rug? It's Mrs. Knippenberg! Okay, so that wasn't as fun as I thought it was going to be. I can't play games by myself. That's not very much fun, but you know what is fun? If you join us at our Google meeting today at 10 o'clock, we can play games together. It'd be so much more fun with you guys here. Well, let's go ahead and get started with our morning message today now that I'm not going to be silly anymore. Today is April 30th, 2020. Dear Word Builders, today is Thursday. You will have Writer's Workshop with Mrs. Rose, Letterland with me, Mrs. Knippenberg, and music with Dr. Webster. I hope you can join our Google Hangout this morning at 10 o'clock. And remember, it's not mandatory, and if your parents are busy or you're busy, we'll have another one next week too. So we'll always have one each week in case you miss one. Your Seesaw attendance post for today is to write a sentence using at least two. Did you hear that? 2 words from your et word family lesson today. So you're going to get a Letterland lesson. You're going to build short E word family words. And you can take at least 2 of those words and put them in a sentence. So I made some et word family words, and I'm going to read you my sentence. My pet got wet when he jumped in the pool. And I'm going to show you by underlining the 2 et words that I used, pet and wet. And if you want to underline or circle the word family words that you use, just so that I can see them better, that would be great. You can even illustrate your sentence. I could draw a picture of a pool and maybe my dog jumping in the pool and showing that he's wet, but you can think of other words that rhyme with et too and make sentences with those words. All right, today we have a new student shout out, and it is a boy again today. And so today's boy is, I'm going to give some clues. Don't give it away at first. This person loves to giggle and laugh, and he has the best laugh. This person is very curly hair. That clue might give it away. This person always has a very fancy lunch at school from his mom. And this person also has a little baby at home. And his name starts with a Y. Oh, here's another fun clue. This person's name has a snap word in his name. Can you think about who it is? It's Yusuf. We're going to write Yusuf's name. Remember, his name starts with a Y, so I'm going to write an uppercase Y, then an O, then a U, then an S, then an E, then an I, and then an F. Ooh, he has a fancy name. So now we're going to count the letters in his name by adding up the vowels and the consonants. So I'm going to look at his name and I'm going to circle O is a vowel, U is a vowel, E is a vowel, and I is a vowel. Now look at this, boys and girls. Yusuf has a different kind of pattern in his name with consonants and vowels. He is a consonant, vowel, vowel. Consonant, vowel, vowel. Consonant. Do you know what kind of pattern Yusuf has in his name? He has an A, B, B. A, B, B pattern. Cool. All right, now let's add up the vowels and the consonants. Let's count, the ones that we circled. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to write a 4 on the first line like this. And then he has 1, 2, 3 consonants. All right, let's add up 4 and 3. So he has 4 plus 3 more. We're going to start with 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Wow, we've had a lot of friends this week who have 7 letters in their name. We're going to do our shout out now to Yusuf. So I want you to think about what you could say to him. If you want to say, have a great weekend, or maybe we'll see you at the meeting later this morning. But I want you to get really loud and crazy and give a big shout out to Yusuf. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Yusuf. We miss you. We hope that you have a great day. We love that your name has 7 letters. And we hope you have fun learning today and a good weekend. Bye, Yusuf. All right. Oh, that just makes me smile every time I get to do it. All right, let's look at our calendar because today is a very important day on our calendar. It is the last day of April. All right, so we have to think about what number would come next. We have 26, 27, 28, 29. When we're counting, what comes after 29? 30, and 30 starts with a 3. And since we're starting our 30s, we have a 0 for 30. All right, and look at tomorrow. We have no school, so there will not be any postings on Seesaw, and we will not have a morning meeting. But tomorrow is a very special day. Tomorrow we start a brand new month. Can you think about the month that comes after April? It is May. And remember my poem I taught you, April showers bring May flowers. So over the weekend, see if you can spy any flowers around your yard or your neighborhood. I bet with the sun shining, we'll be able to see some very soon. So tomorrow we won't be able to fill out May, but when we come back next Tuesday together, remember there's no school on Monday either. It will be May the 5th. So we're going to have to fill in the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th before we meet. And I'll show you our new calendar next week. All right, let's move over our arrows at the top to the right. We're going to move them in their reading direction. Now we can read about today. Today is Thursday. That means yesterday was Wednesday and tomorrow is Friday, and there's no school tomorrow. Woo! All right, let's keep going. Let's check in with the weather. And this morning it was kind of cloudy, but a little bit of sun. So I think I am going to move 1 to sunny because it's mostly sunny at my house. All right, today is the last day of April, so now we can ask some questions about our weather graph for April. What kind of weather had we had the most of this month? Let's look. Sunny. What kind of weather have we had the least of? Look really carefully. Foggy. In fact, we've had no foggy days of school in April. And what's kind of neat, I'm noticing that we kind of move backwards as we move down our graph. We have sunny has the most, cloudy is second, rainy is third, snowy is fourth, and windy is fifth. Wow, what a sunny month we've had. I wonder what the month of May will bring. All right, our last day to do our weather temperature for April. And today I checked my phone and it said today would be 67 degrees. Now remember, it can always change and it can be colder or warmer than what my phone is saying in the morning. But for today, we're going to fill in 67 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to go up to 60. Now, 67 is almost to 70. It's really close. So I'm going to make a line kind of maybe right across here. And then I'm going to fill it in like this. Now, boys and girls, you could draw your own thermometer if you wanted, just like the one on here. And you could fill in your own thermometer at home. So let's look at our week's temperatures. It went from 73 down to 54, up to 61, and up to 67. Now it looks like the temperature is climbing or going up. And hopefully this weekend you will have beautiful weather to do lots of fun things outside. Let's do our last tally mark for April. And we're going to start a new group right here. So we're just going to add 1 so we can count the groups of 5s first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. I'm going to erase the 0 and I'm going to add a 1. So for April, we came to school. That means school days for 21 days. That is a lot of distance learning. All right, the last thing we're going to do is, I thought today we could do a fun video. We're going to do a skip counting by tens forward and backwards today. So I thought we could try the Jack Hartman one. It's kind of long, so we're not going to do the whole thing, but we'll do part of it. And this time we're going to practice counting backwards and forwards.
1, 2, 3, go! Faster, faster!
Oh, there's our funny science video. Everybody likes this one, but I'm going to go ahead and skip it.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, make your brain and body strong.
All right. You can move along with him if you want and get ready to count.
Ooh, yeah. Here we go. Hands roll forward, hands roll back, as we count by tens, forward and back, just like that, counting forward, just like that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, take it back.
Now we're going to count backwards by 10. See if you can do it.
100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Just like that, you can do it just like that.
All right, we're going to go ahead and stop that one. Whoops, Miss K didn't stop it. There we go. All right, just want to make sure I have enough time to wish you all a great weekend, and I hope that you'll join me in a little while for our class Google Hangout. And remember, if you're not able to, we'll do it again next week. Remember to send me your seesaw post today of your word family sentence. Have a great day and a great weekend if I don't see you at our meeting.